In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the best possible chance to get yourself a FIFA 22 beta code. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So, as a lot of you probably know, when you do get a FIFA beta code, it will be sent to you through your emails, and this has worked for me since like FIFA 19, FIFA 20, and also for FIFA 21. I have received a code for each of those FIFAs for the beta, and before that what I didn't know is that I need to change a setting on my EA account. So what you need to do first is obviously head over to ea.com and log into your EA account. Once you have done that, you will need to come over to the top right hand corner to your profile picture. Once you click on that, you will get this little drop down menu here, and from here you will need to click on account settings. Once you click on account settings, you will be brought over to your EA account. So from here, what you need to do is come over to the left hand side bar here, and you will need to find email preferences. And then as you can see on my account, I have not got email preferences enabled. So what this means is that EA will not be able to send me emails. So they won't be able to send me emails about products, news, events, or even beta codes. So all you need to do is simply click on this tick box here to enable it. And then as you can see here, there is an option for frequency. This needs to be set to any time, not weekly, not monthly, but any time. And then as you can see, there is a primary email option here, so make sure this is set to your primary email address so your beta code doesn't get lost. And then the next option here is preferred games, so what you need to do is click on add more. And then you will need to scroll down and make sure you select FIFA, which is right here. Click on FIFA and then click add. So what this will do is it will let EA know that you are obviously interested in FIFA. Enabling this will give you a greater chance of getting a beta code for the next FIFA game. And then if you go down now, you can also select your preferred platforms. So obviously you've got Nintendo Switch, PS4, 360, Xbox One, PS5, and finally Xbox Series X and S. So you can click on as many as you like here. And then all you need to simply do is click on update. And then once you click on update and all your settings are now saved to your account, this will give you the best possible chance to get a beta code for the next FIFA game that's coming up. And beta is usually released around August, September time, or around a month before the full game is released. So that's how you can go ahead and give yourself the best possible chance to get a beta code for FIFA 22.